Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The Best Blenders is probably one of the most versatile appliances in your kitchen, capable of whipping up everything from morning smoothies to creamy soups. But, with so many options available, finding a good blender that doesn't break the bank can feel like a challenge. In this video, we'll explore some fantastic, budget-friendly blenders that prove you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy the convenience of a high-quality blender. Number 5. Magic Bullet Blender, 11-piece set. This is the Magic Bullet, a compact blender with a powerful motor. It's designed to make your life easier in the kitchen. The set includes everything you need: a motor base, blades, cups, and lids. It's a complete solution for all your blending needs. This versatile appliance can chop, mix, blend, whip, and grind. It handles a variety of tasks with ease. Effortlessly creates smoothies, omelets, sauces, and dips. It's perfect for quick and easy meals. With its 250-watt motor, it delivers powerful performance. It's designed to make blending quick and efficient. The included recipe book helps you create a variety of dishes. You can make everything from appetizers to desserts. What we like? This little blender is a kitchen workhorse. It effortlessly handles chopping, mixing, and blending. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to make smoothies, sauces, or dips, this is perfect. It's also great for those with limited kitchen space, as it's compact and comes with multiple cups and lids. What people say? It works reliably and does exactly what's needed. It comes with different size attachment blenders, so if you're just making a little or a lot, you can choose which one works best. The motor is powerful enough to blend everything from frozen fruit to leafy greens with no problem, and the different cup sizes and lids make it super convenient whether I'm sipping at home or taking it on the go. Number 4. Ninja BL610 Professional Blender. This blender boasts 1000 watts of professional power. It can crush ice and break down any tough ingredient with ease. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for making large batches. You can create frozen drinks and smoothies for the whole family with it. This technology delivers unbeatable power. The blades pulverize and crush through ice, fruits, and vegetables in seconds. It can blast ice into snow in seconds. You can blend your favorite ingredients into delicious, resort-style frozen drinks. A recipe guide is included. It provides inspiration for drinks and dishes you can make with this blender. The pitcher is BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Cleanup is as simple and easy as using the blender itself. You'll receive a 1000-watt motor base and a 72-ounce total crushing pitcher with a lid. What we like? This blender is built for serious blending. It boasts professional-grade power and can crush ice in seconds. If you frequently make frozen drinks or smoothies for a crowd, this blender's large capacity will be a game-changer. It's perfect for families or anyone who loves to entertain. What people say? Blends evenly, smooth and effective, blends everything, nothing stuck on sides. It is sturdy. The power in it is strong. The blade is brutal. My fingers learned the hard way. Watch those blades. They don't play. It is very easy to clean. It would be portable. And it has a good versatility, as it also loosely chop. The Ninja BL610 is a powerhouse in the kitchen. It crushes ice, blends smoothies, and purees ingredients effortlessly with its strong motor and sharp blades. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for making large batches, and cleanup is a breeze since it's dishwasher safe. Number 3. Ninja BL660 Professional Blender. Introducing the Ninja BL660, a blender that delivers ultimate power. Its 1100-watt motor can pulverize ice and tough ingredients in seconds. This blender offers professional performance with 3 manual speeds, pulse, and a single-serve function. It's designed for long-lasting use with its stainless steel components. The 72 ounces. Total crushing pitcher is perfect for making drinks for the whole family. You can easily create creamy frozen drinks and smoothies. It can chop fresh ingredients evenly without creating a mushy texture. You can effortlessly mince, chop, grind, and blend a variety of ingredients. Blend directly in the 16 ounces single-serve cup, attach the spout lid, and take your creations with you. It's convenient and easy to use. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. This product is designed for your convenience. Get started with the included 28 recipe inspiration guide. It provides easy recipes for smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and more. What we like. This blender offers both power and versatility. It has multiple speed settings and even comes with to-go cups. If you live a busy lifestyle and need a quick and easy way to make smoothies or frozen drinks on the go, this is the perfect choice. It's also great for meal prepping and making sauces. What people say. Blends evenly, smooth and effective, blends everything, nothing stuck on sides. It is sturdy. The power in it is strong. The blade is brutal. My fingers learned the hard way. Watch those blades. They don't play. It is very easy to clean. It would be portable. And it has a good versatility, as it also loosely chop. The Ninja BL610 is a powerhouse in the kitchen. It crushes ice, blends smoothies, and purees ingredients effortlessly with its strong motor and sharp blades. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for making large batches, and cleanup is a breeze since it's dishwasher safe. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Personal Blender. Introducing the Hamilton Beach Personal Blender, a name you can trust. This blender has been a leader in personal blending since 2003, bringing excellent performance to your home. With its durable stainless steel blades and 300 watts of power, it easily handles all your blending needs. This blender is designed to make your smoothies and shakes perfectly. Cleaning up is a breeze. The jar, blades, and travel lid are all dishwasher safe. It's designed for your convenience, making your life easier. This portable blender is perfect for any setting, from home to the office. It fits in most cup holders and stores easily. Plus, it comes with a 3-year warranty. Prepare your favorite drinks and more with just one touch. Whether it's smoothies, shakes, or dressings, you'll get smooth results every time. It's simple and effective. What we like. This blender is all about convenience. You can blend directly in the travel cup and take it with you. If you're looking for a simple, portable blender for your daily smoothie or shake, this is a great option. It's also super easy to clean, making it perfect for busy mornings. What people say. It feels sturdy, holds just the right amount for a generous glassful of morning smoothie. I haven't had a problem crushing a cube of ice, though I generally crush my ice a bit first. It's easy to clean as long as I put water into it to soak right away. This blender has some improvements and some features that are less convenient than the portable blender. This review is based on using Hamilton Beach Portable Blender 14 ounces for mixing powdered shakes and beverages multiple times daily. I use this to mix powdered, protein, shakes and electrolyte beverages to eliminate clumps that remain when using a shaker bottle. It does that perfectly. Far superior to a shaker bottle, especially if your powder to liquid ratio is high. There are many individual serving blenders on the market. This product is unique. Blades are at the bottom of the cup. Cup detaches from a base that plugs into a standard electrical outlet. Cup is a thick solid plastic with a wide mouth for ingredients. Most other individual blenders have an attached base and the blades are on the lid. You invert the cup when blending, which creates a risk of injury every time you put the lid on and off. Those features are perfect for my use case because I use this at home, so I don't need the base attached. I want to prep, mix, clean quickly multiple times daily. Cup detached from base is easier to handle when prepping, drinking, cleaning. Blades at bottom of cup keep my fingers safe when quickly repeatedly using. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender, 58148A. This blender boasts 700 watts of peak blending power and stainless steel ice saber blades. It gives you all the power you need to make smoothies, protein shakes, and frozen drinks. The patented wave action system continuously forces ingredients down into the blades. This ensures everything is thoroughly crushed with ease, giving you the perfect consistency. The spout on this electric blender allows you to pour contents without spills. Serving is easy and mess-free with this convenient feature. The glass jar holds 40 ounces, perfect for multiple servings. The jar, lid, and removable blades are all dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. This multifunction blender has 12 functions controlled by 5 simple buttons. It blends and crushes ice for smoothies and milkshakes, plus purees, dices, and chops. What we like. This blender is designed for smooth results. The unique wave action system ensures ingredients are thoroughly blended. If you like to make smoothies, milkshakes, or frozen drinks, this blender will deliver consistently smooth results. The easy pour spout makes serving a breeze. What people say. This blender is a powerhouse. I've been making a lot of smoothies lately and needed a new blender. My old one was not powerful enough for my liking. This one is amazing. I love the pour spout built into the lid. And it also has a flip-up opening to add ingredients during operation. It's very easy to operate with just 5 basic buttons. The glass canister is easy to clean and durable. Just by picking up Ms. HB, heretofore the blender, one can feel the quality. It is solid, sturdy, and firmly constructed. The glass is thick, handsome, and quite robust. When engaged, the noise is utterly tolerable and much less than my old blender. It is easy to assemble and disassemble, although admittedly I have trouble with getting the lid on and off. I often have to ask for help because of some arthritis in my hands. The ease of disassemble makes cleaning a breeze, and because it comes apart so easily, all of the nooks and crannies can be cleaned so no residue remains contributing to problems later. Not only can this blender handle cream cheese, but it can also pulverize all manner of fruit, both fresh and frozen, vegetables, ice, and a conglomerate of liquids and emulsions. The powerful 700 watts ensures that it can handle essentially any entity that is chucked into its 40-ounce glass belly and not even blink. The wide mouth opening of the glass and pouring spout of the lid makes loading and pouring both into and out of hassle-free, bypassing spills and mishaps. The blender has 12 functions and 5 buttons, which I found velvety smooth to push and not in the least sticky or uneven. High-quality blender with powerful 700-watt motor pulverizes ice cubes with ease. Smoothie King. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.